There's one guy honking. So I'm down here at the East Point Shopping Center, and I'm doing my shopping, and I thought to myself, you know what I want to see right now? Some waterfalls. And you might say, Luke, there's no waterfalls at the East Point Shopping Center. That's where you're wrong, big guy. You would not believe how close this beautiful set of waterfalls is to this shopping district. It is literally 2 minutes from here. So if you're doing your shopping down at East Point Shopping Center and you want to see some waterfalls, just follow along. I'll show you right where they are. So I'm out here today looking for Silver Falls. I've never been there before. Found it on Google, found it on a little pamphlet that the real estate company left. Actually, I think I can see it from here. Oh yeah, there's people down there right now. Cool. Yeah, I'm just looking at different falls that I can get to within an hour of my place. This one's in an interesting location. It's right by the refinery, so I don't know if I'd swim here. I don't know. Maybe I would. I'll swim just about anywhere, but might grow a third eye like that Simpsons fish. Let's head down this little trail. I asked a guy that just pulled out here, and he said go down the trail, and then rather than keep going straight, there's going to be a trail off to my right, so head down that way and I should come to the falls. This must be the little trail he was talking about. You can keep going there, you can go down this way. Still see the refinery quite well. Guess we'll take a right. A little bit mucky. I can hear them, and I hear kids screaming, so maybe people are jumping off them. I don't know. Didn't bring my shorts, but I've been known to jump off a waterfall. Oh yeah, this is nice. Okay. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. There's like a small set of waterfalls as soon as you come over the rocks here, but it looks to me like there might be bigger ones. So I'm gonna go check for that. All right, gonna have to do a little bit of climbing here. Yeah, it's a lot louder over here, so I'd say there's a bigger set. Yeah, I can see it through the trees here. Oh yeah. So I found him. It's quite a narrow little path right here. If you're afraid of heights, I wouldn't suggest this one. I'd say I'm just about to the top. I don't know if you can hear me, but really nice. This is great. Beautiful spot. It's probably as far as I'll go. I think I'll switch cameras and take some nice photos. I managed to climb down. It's not too high, but it's just sketchy. It's this like shale kind of rock, like all kind of, you know, like stuff to slide on pretty easy. So it's pretty sketchy, but worth it. Yeah. Whew. Okay. It's probably pretty loud, but I'll just yell. Should have brought my fishing rod, but too much stuff going on. Well, I think I got enough shots. Came down here, got some pictures, got some video. Nice spot, right in St. John, basically. You know, if you're at the mall and you want to have a quick dip, it's like 10 minutes away, so pretty cool spot to have so close to the city. I guess I'll go climb the cliff again. I'm just on my way out. And I just had to show you how close this is to the refinery. Like, it's the waterfalls right over that way, and the refinery is right there. Like, it's really close. I don't know what to expect here. There's four-wheelers going by, there's oil being refined, motorbikes, there's waterfalls down here. The place is wild. There's a goose down here that is massive. There's two, they're coming out of the water. I think I got them in the frame. Absolute unit. Some dude fishing. You're gonna want to Google Silver Falls if you're looking for a swimming hole that you can go to the mall. You can hear a motorbike in the background right now. It's like the road is right there. If you're looking for a set of waterfalls that you can get to the mall in 2 minutes, refine some oil in 5 minutes, and then go for a dip, Silver Falls. Left my water in the car. Okay, looking for Silver Falls. In between Costco and Home Depot, the mall is like 2 minutes that way. So if you're looking for a set of falls, refine some oil in 2 minutes, no. So if you're looking for a set of waterfalls that you can, get to the mall in 2 minutes. If you're looking for a swimming hole, no. Luke, there's no water. I'm here to tell you, you are way wrong. You are so wrong. So I'm down here, there's cars driving by right behind the camera. Everybody's looking at me going, what are you doing filming here? And I came to show you how close the waterfalls are to the shopping district down here, St. John's East Side, East Point Shopping Center.